9, 4, 1, 2, 8. Okay, and determinant of D is already we have calculated, is 25. 25 here we have already calculated. With possible inverses possible. Let me now find out inverse of this. Okay, so matrix of determinant, matrix of cofactors, matrix of cofactors of D. Let me write them as D11, D12, D13, D21, D22, D23, D31, D32, D33. This is matrix of cofactors. Now let me calculate these values, cofactors of D11. D11 means of 1. D11 is this left, I mean not considered, row and column are not considered. 9 is the 72. 72 minus 8 is 64, positive. D12 is of 3. 3 this and this. 8 is 16 minus 9. 16 minus 4. It is minus 12. D13 of minus 2. It is 2 to the 4 minus 9. It is minus 5. And D21 of 2 odd number. It is negative sign. Okay. So it will be cancel out 8 3 are 24. Minus plus 4. It is 28 minus 28. Well, 8 3 are 24 and 2 to the 4 minus plus 4. It is 28. Now D23 is the odd number, so it is 1. So it is D21. Even number, so it is positive plus sign of 9. This and this, so it is 8 1 is 8. Minus plus 4, it is 10. Then D23 of 4. 4 means this row and this column, leaving them. This is 2 1 is 2 and 3 1 is 3. 2 minus 3, it is minus 7. 2 minus 3, minus 1 inside, minus 1 plus 1 here. Then D2, 3 we have taken this now, 3 1. Positive value, plus sign of 1. 3 4 which are 12, 12 plus 18. It is 12 plus 18, 30. It is equal to 30. Now D32 of 2. D32 means a cofactor of 2. This row and this column, 4 1 is 4 and minus 4 plus 4. It is minus sign 4 plus 4. It is minus 8 here. 4 plus 4, 4 1 is 4 and 2 to the 4 of 2. 4 1 is 4 and minus 1 plus 4. So plus minus 8. So D33, which is positive of 8. This 9 1 is 9, 3 is 6. 9 minus 6. Yeah, 9 minus 6 is 3, positive 3. Therefore, cofactors, matrix of cofactors is all values. We have right here. This is 64. D12 is minus 12. Then D13 is minus 5. Okay, D21 is minus 28. D22 is 10. D23 is 1 plus 1. And D31 is 30. 30. And D32 is minus 8. D33 is 3. This is your matrix of cofactors. So let me transpose this. So transpose of this will give us the adjoint of A, adjoint of D. Therefore, adjoint of D is equal to the transposing this to 64 minus 12 minus 5. We have taken the row in H column. This is minus 28, 10, 1, 30, minus 8, adjoint property. Therefore, dividing by determinant value 25. Therefore, A inverse is 1.25. And this adjoint 64 minus 28 30 minus 12 10 and minus 8 minus 5 1 and 3. Question number fourth part is the fourth part of question number 5. We have completed. Now let's talk about fifth part, the last one it is of question number 5. So last part of question number 5. Let me discuss about. Okay, now fifth part. Now in this case it is, let me take, it is E, which I have already taken. E, fifth part is minus 2, 6, 8, 6, 4. It is 6, 4, 1, minus 3, 1. Here minus 3 and 2. Then 1, 5. And again it is 2 here. Let me check. Minus 2, 6, 4, 1, minus 3 and 2, 1, 5 and 1, 5 and 2. Alright. And the determinant we have already calculated. And the determinant of E is 64. Okay, so cofactors, matrix of cofactors of E. Solution we are calculating. Matrix of cofactors of E, that we write it as E11, E12, E13, E21, E22, E23. This is E31, E32, E33. Okay, therefore U11 we have to calculate of minus 2. Cofactor of minus 2 is 3 to the 6, is minus 6 here, minus 10, it is minus 16. It is positive because 1 plus 1 is 2. Minus 1 is 4, 2 is positive value. Whatever sign comes out from bracket, it is same value in minus 16. Now U12 is odd number, so it is negative. 6. 6 is this, so 2 in the 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, now E1, 3. It is even number, it is positive. Of 4, it is 5 in the 5 plus 3, it is 8 positive. E21, it is odd number, so it is negative of 1. This and this. 6 to the 12 minus 20. It is minus 8 into minus 9 plus 8. Then E positive value of this minus 3. Minus 3 is this. It is minus 4. Okay, 4 minus 2 into minus 4. 4 into 4 is also 4. Minus 4, sorry. It is minus 8 here. Then 8 is 3. Odd numbers is negative of 2 here. It is 5 to the 10 minus 10. It is minus 6. It is minus 16 plus 16. Minus inside and minus 1 multiplied, so it is plus 16. Then A3 related to A3 1 of 1 is left out, so 60 of 12. It is 12 minus 12 plus 12, 22. A32 is of 5. All numbers, it is negative sign of 5. So it is this and this. 2 to the 4, it is minus 4 and minus 4. because minus 4 and minus 4 is of 5. It is nothing but minus 1 plus 8 plus 8. Okay, then A3 3 left last one. A3 3 the last one of 2. It will be minus 1 plus 6. It will be 6 and minus 6 is 0. Minus 3 into minus 2 is plus 6. Minus 6 0. So determinant by matrix of cofactors is not finally calculated. This is E11 is minus 16, E12 is 0, E13 is 8, E21 is 8, E22 is minus 8, E23 is 16, okay, and E31 is 24, E32 is plus 8, E33 is 0. Okay, now transposing this, we have adjoint of adjoint of E in this case. With E here we are calculating. Therefore, adjoint of E is equal to transposing this minus 16, 0, 8, 8 minus 8, 8 minus 8 is 16. This row becomes third quadrant, 24. It is 8 and 0. Okay, now therefore inverse of this, and let me calculate inverse. Therefore E inverse is equal to 1 upon 64, which is determinant value. Adjoint of E upon the adjoint of E is minus 16, 8, 24, which is in between. Okay, then 0 minus 8 and 8, it is 8 and 16, 0. This is the adjoint of E and divided by determinant of E. This is the question number 5 here, which we have done. Question number 5 completed. All the 5 parts have the inverses that we have calculated. Now let me take 6th question. What's the question number 6? Let me check it. I would say if A is equal to this, B equal to this, verify that AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse of A inverse. Where if A is equal to, it is 3, 2, 7, 5, and B is equal to 6, 7, 8, 9. It is B here. And verify AB inverse equal to B inverse into A inverse. Okay, then verify AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. B inverse into A inverse. Okay. Now let me find out AB multiplication. Let me find first left side. A into B, we have to calculate. Solution we are calculating. AB is equal to A is 3, 2, 7, 5. B is 6, 7, 8, 9. Multiplying by first row, first column, second column. 3 into 6 is 18, plus 2 into 8 is 16. Now 3 into 7 is 21, 2 into 9 is plus 18. Now second row, first column, 7 6 is 42, plus 5 8 is 40, and 7 6 is 7 7 is 49, 5 9 is 45. So this value, multiplication of these comes out to be, this plus is 14, 4 1 carries is 34, 21 plus 9 is, this is 18, 21 plus 18 is 39, it is 9 and 3, 39. Alright, 42 plus 40 is 82, 9 plus 4 is 14, 94. 9 plus 5, 14, 4, 1 carry, 4 plus 4, 8 and 1, 9. It is this value. This is what you call multiplication. Now inverse of this we have to calculate. First we have to find out AB determinant value. Determinant of this is multiplied by this 34 into 94 minus 82 into 39. That multiply next. It is 34 into 94. So this is 34 into 94. Multiplied 4 for the 16, 6 1 carry, 4 3 are 12, and 9 for the 36. Adding them, it is 8 and 48, 48 plus 1, 49, it is 4 carry. 9 3 are 27, 27 and 4, 31. It is 31 96 minus sign 82 into that will solve that also. It is 82 into 39. 9 to the 18, 8 1 carry, 9 8 is 72, 2 to the 6, 78, 78 plus 1 is 79, 7 carry. Then 8 is 24, 24 and 7, 31, 31 and 90. Good. It is minus 2 here. 31 98, this is 31 96, it is minus 2. Difference comes out to minus 2. Okay, so determinant value is minus 2 here. Alright, so inverse is possible. Inverse determinant value is minus 2 here. Okay, now let me find what are the adjoint of this. For that, matrix of cofactors. Matrix of cofactors of AB is equal to, let me write here, this is AB11, AB12, AB21, AB2. So AB11, determinant of this is this 1394. It will be equal to 94 positive. Now AB12 is negative, but of this sign minus 82. Negative sign. This negative sign here. Then of 82 it is minus 39, or it is 82 is 1 odd number, it is minus 39. Then of 94 is 34. This is matrix of cofactors. Now in this case cofactors is very easier. Of 34 we find out this positive 94. Of 39, because it is 1 2 odd number, it is negative minus 82. We will get multiplied by minus 1. This is the cofactors matrix. Now we have to transfer this, therefore adjoint of AB equal to 94 minus 82. It is minus 39 and 34. Adjoint determinant value is minus 2. Dividing minus 2. Therefore, inverse AB whole inverse is equal to minus 1.2 into 94 minus 39. It is minus 82 and 34. This is the value left hand side. So let me write here this left hand side. Okay, so left hand side is finally calculated. Left hand side of this verification is minus 1.2 in bracket is 94 minus 39 is minus 82 and 34. This is left hand side here. Now we have to find out inverse of A and B and then multiply them. Let us check. Now A, because this is B inverse into A inverse. So first we have to find out what is determinant value of A from this for finding A inverse. It is 5 3 35 minus 7 40. Sorry, what I am doing, 5 3 15 I'm sorry, this is 15, partial 15 and minus 14 is 1. Now, cofactors, matrix of cofactors, matrix of cofactors of A. If we add that those value directly, for determinant cofactor of 3 is this positive 5. Cofactor of 2 will be negative minus 7. Then cofactor of 7 will be minus 2. Negative because it's odd number 1 2. For if 2 1 is it 2 to even positive, so it is plus 3. This is cofactors matrix. Therefore, A inverse transposing this adjoint of A, this is 1 here, only this value will be 5 minus 7 minus 2 and 3. Just transposing this. A inverse of this is just upon 1 is 1. Same value here. So you say A inverse here. But in B inverse, that will calculate B inverse also. For B inverse, we have to find out this. So, determinant of B is equal to here. 9 6 is 54, minus 8 7 is 56. It is also minus 2. It is minus 2, thereby the 1. It is 3 minus 1. Okay, this is minus 2, no problem. Because 9 6 is 54 and 8 7 is 56. 54 minus 56 is minus 2. Alright. Now the cofactors matrix. Matrix of cofactors of B is equal to, let me write directly, of 6. Cofactor of 6 is 9. Got this and this left out, this 9. But of 7 it will be negative 8 minus 8 of 7. Of 8 it will be minus 7. Of 9 it will be 6 positive. Now transposing this, so therefore B inverse is equal to adjoint of this value, this means 9 and minus 8 minus 7 and 6 divided by 2. This is divided by modulus of the determinant is minus 2. Minus sign and multiply. It will be 1.2 if I take minus sign inside. Or let me take 1.2 inside. It will be minus 1.2 multiplied. It is minus 9.2. It is plus 7.2. It is only plus 4. It is minus 3. Because dividing by minus 2 means minus 8 upon minus 2 is plus 4. 6 upon minus 2 is minus 3. 9 upon minus 2 is minus 9 upon 3. This is positive 7.2. Okay, this is B inverse. Multiplying them, A inverse and B inverse. So B inverse into A inverse, therefore right hand side. Right hand side is B inverse into A inverse, which is B inverse is this value minus 9 upon 2, which is 7 upon 2, it is 4 and minus 3 into A inverse. A inverse is this value 5 minus 2 minus 7 and 3. Multiply them. Let me multiply that. Multiplying them, that will give us first row, first column, first row, second column. First row 545 is minus 45 upon 2. Minus sign because 7 into 7 is minus 49. Minus 49 upon 2. Okay. Then this into this. 9 upon 2 is minus 2 is minus plus, it is 9 only. 9.2 into, sorry, 7.2 into 3 is plus sign, 7 so 21. Then second row 4 into 5 is 20. Minus minus plus, it is plus sign 3 to the 3 7 to 21. Okay, then second row, second column, it is 4 to the 8 minus 8. 6 is a 9, it is minus 9. Both are negative signs, okay. It is giving us 1.2 is there, okay. So 1.2 if I take common, undoubtedly that will be, these two will be multiplied, so it will be there. Minus 1.2, I take common. Here 2 is LCM, let me take first solving them. So these are added up, 9 plus 4 is 4, 9 plus 5 is 14, 14 plus 4 1, 9 is 94 with minus 9 upon 2. Here is 18 plus 21, it is 39, we have 39 upon 2. Then second elements of second row, first and second element, this is 41, 41, this is minus 17. Okay, now if I take minus 1.2 common, that is just minus 1.2 common, be positive 94, be minus 39, negative sign, it will be 2 times 82, 41, it is 82, but with negative sign, yeah, with minus sign. Then this is plus 34. So 17 to the 34. 1.2 we have taken out. Here 2 was not there, we have multiplied this 30. 17 to the 34, 82. Same value is obtained. 94 minus 39 minus 82, 34. 1.2 minus 1.2 common. Okay, so this is the same value. Left hand side equal to left hand side. Hence we can see left hand side equal to right hand side. This is the answer. Hence proved. This is verified. Question number 6 we have done. Both the answers are same. Left hand side equal to right hand side that we have done. Now 7th question. What is it? A equal to this, B equal to this, then verify AB inverse, AB whole inverse equal to B inverse into A inverse. Same thing we have proved. Here only difference. If A is, this is a square matrix of order 3. This is only difference. A is 1, 1, 2. This is 1, 9, 2. 1, 4, 4. 1, 4, 4. And B is 1, 0. 2, 3, 1. It is 1, minus 1, and a 3. 1, minus 1, and 3. Okay, then to verify that AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. This we have to prove here. B inverse into A inverse. Okay, so that is the point. Simple. What we will do? First we have to find out B inverse A inverse, so that B inverse into A inverse. We have to find out determinant of the solution here. Okay, solution here. The solution. Let us find out first. Okay, so first AB let me multiply. Left hand side I want to solve it. This is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 9, 2. This is 1, 4, 4. B is here. 1, 2, 0. 2, 3, 1 is 1 minus 1 and 3. Multiplying them. First row. Okay, it will give us 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 2. Then first row, second column is the first column, third column. Okay, now let me multiply this by 1. So this is 2 here, 1 into 2. 1 into 3 is plus 3. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Okay, then first row, third column, it is 0 here, 1 into 0 plus 1. 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3 is plus 6. Okay, this AB inverse we are AB multiplication we are calculating. Product of AB. Okay. Then second row, 1 into 1 is 1 plus 9 to the 18. 2 into 1 is plus 2. And 1 into 2 is 2. 9 into 3 is 27. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. And 1 into 0 is 0. 9 into 1 is 9. 2 into 3 is 6. Then third row. 1 into 1 is 1. 4 into 2 is 8. Plus 4 into 1 is plus 4. Then 1 into 2 is 1. Sorry, 2. 4 into 3 is 12. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. And third row, third column. 1 into 0 is 0. 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 3 is 12. Finally, what do we get? 1 plus 2 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 3, 5 minus 2 is 3. 1 plus 6 is 7. 18 plus 2, 20 and 21. 27, 20, 27. 9 plus 6 is 15. 8 plus 9 plus 4 is 13. 4, it means 10 only, because it is 14 minus 4, 10. It is 4 plus 12 is 16. This is AB multiplication. Now determinant of this we have to calculate. Therefore AB determinant is calculated. It is 5 into 17 into 27. 16 into 27 minus 10 into 15 is 150. Minus 3 into 21 into 16 minus 9. 21 16 15 into 13 is 15 into 13 and plus 7 into 7 into 21 into 10 is 210 minus 9. 27 into 13 into 13. This value is to be calculated. I'm going to calculate this value here. This is AB determinant. Let me write here. This is 5, 3, 7. It is 21 into 7, 13. It is 13 here, is 10, is 16. The determinant value we are calculating here is 5 into